Generate your survey estimates easily with ViXR Survey. The data view presents an itemized list of signages, along with their materials and the required quantities for every identified marker, photo, and area. To open the survey estimate in Data View, go to the Survey Management screen. Select the survey estimate to open the estimate screen. The first tab is the Simplified Data View. As you can see, there are 4 areas identified within the survey. Tap on any area to see the list view of the photos within the area. Similarly, tap on a photo to view the signage information for that photo. This table keeps a record of the markers, the identified signage, along with its dimensions, customizations, and quantity of signage necessary. Tap on the list options to see the simplified data view for your survey.